Alright guys, today I make a nice and simple dish for you guys today. We did some brown stew chicken foot. Alright peeps, so here we have some nice chicken foot already cleaned up, as you can see. I clipped the nails off it already, and also remove that little middle part of the foot as well. So we're going to start with the cleaning process, and today guys I'm going to be working in my gloves on my left hand because I injured one of my fingers this morning. Alright, so we have a lime here. I'll put some lime on this, lime juice. All right, so we have some white vinegar here, and we're gonna wash this off, guys, real quick. So like I said, the lime and the vinegar together always help to cut some of that rawness, some of that poultry smell. Cleaning of the meat is always the first seasoning, okay? So keep that in mind, all right? And usually, I always like to transfer in the clean bowl when we get into the seasoning process, all right? So we're gonna do a quick season up here. I have some garlic powder here left back. All right, here we have some crushed pimento, yeah? A little black pepper on it as well. Here I'm adding some of that meat and poultry seasoning on it, yeah? I'm gonna add some onion powder on it as well, guys. And let's add some of this Old Bay seasoning. A little bit of adobo. So we're gonna top this off with a little bit of vegetable oil. Then I'm gonna be adding some brown into this because I'm doing brown stew, yeah? That's what we're doing. I'm trying to do everything with majority of the right hand today, guys, because the left hand is not really working so well today, you know what I mean? So quick and easy seasoning. So this is what we're looking for, guys. So I'm going to cut up the other aromatics in the meanwhile while this marinate just a little bit, okay? And then we move on to the cooking process, okay? Before we go any further, let's set on the food pot. All right, so let's clean up these vegetables. We have some bell pepper in this. We have some carrots. We have garlic. I have here a little bunch of fresh thyme as well. All right, so meanwhile those drain off, I have here some cassava, what some people will call the yuca. We have a piece of white yam here. We have some sweet potato, and we have some cocoa, yeah? All right, so let's prepare this pot in the meanwhile, guys. And I have completed all the ground provisions, guys. You can see everything here is washed up. Want to keep them in some water so they don't change color by the time ready to add them to the pot, okay? So let's put this aside. As for that, I also have a sweet corn here. Add that to that. And we have all of these vegetables. We have the Irish potato here. We have the onion. All our additives for this pot. So you can see it's a long mise en place, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare these and then we get back to the cooking, okay? And guess who just joined the chat? We have some butter beans as well. So let's move over to the pot right now and get the ball rolling, okay? All right, so let's brown off this chicken foot, guys, real quick. So we're just adding like a tablespoon of vegetable oil in it. And we'll let that warm up, yeah? All right, so here we have that nice marinated chicken foot. Let's test the oil. Nice. Here I'm gonna add that garlic and some of the onion, yeah? And we're going to give this like a couple minutes to sweat out a little while, okay? Guys, I'm going to add some bay leaves to this. It's like 3 bay leaves and a couple of cloves, yeah? Alright, peeps, so we give this almost 5 minutes on the stove. So now we're going to add some hot water, yeah? Alright peeps, so at this time, so right now I want to shock the meat, and all I'm going to do with that, I'm going to add some of this cold water to it, okay? And with that, I'm going to add some finely chopped of the Irish potatoes. So we're going to let this boil out, so this is going to build up that body and help the sauce to have a thicker consistency, okay? So let's see. Oh wow, yeah, coming down nicely. Still a little bit hard. It needs some more cooking time as well. So we're gonna add all of these seasoning, the scallion, the thyme, the pepper. Let's seal back a little bit of the bell peppers as well. Beautiful, looking so scrumptious. We're just gonna cook it some more until the chicken foot get tender, and then we'll put the finishing touch on it. Okay. In the meanwhile, we can add these ground provisions to start boil. Gonna add a pinch of salt in the pot. So we're just gonna get these boil up. Alright guys, so I really needed some ketchup to add to the stew, but I was running low on ketchup. I just realized that. So if you know the old school style that we use, alright? Get some water into it. All right, nice. That's it. See that? Beautiful. Coming down nicely, okay? All right, so let's keep the ball rolling, guys. Cover this and let it continue its cooking, okay? All right, peeps, so now we come down to the final segment, and now it's time to add these beans. So chicken foot is not really something that is a quick cook, okay? So you want to give it some time, and every meats are different. So you just want to cook it until you get that tenderness by checking gradually throughout the cooking process, okay? So now we add these beans, we're giving it like another 5 to 10 minutes. Just check the tenderness of the meat. I see. Yeah. All right, see that? Fork pass right through it so you know that real tender, okay? We're just giving this 5 to 10 more minutes just to let these beans cook and absorb some flavor as well, okay? All right, peeps, so there we have these nice ground provisions and we have some corn in that. See, look at that, guys. Nice chicken foot with some butter beans, vegetables and everything. Full 9 yard. That's how we're doing it today. All right, guys, so today I have a special one here. This is some nice brown stew chicken foot, and I serve this with some ground provision. You can take a look at this.